Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the middle freezer shelf in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new middle freezer shelf. The middle freezer shelf allows for frozen produce storage and could be easily moved out and reinstalled if needed. The main reason for the middle freezer shelf to be replaced is if it cracks and breaks, making it impossible to use it. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the middle freezer shelf, we need to lift up a little bit of the front end, and then we can slide it out for a couple of inches, and then we can lift it up and remove it. This is the old middle freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the freezer shelf, we need to put these two tabs into the cutouts, and then we can push it in. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.